Or is
There's
it
also
queen f7, queen c4?
Yeah, queen g6 is available. I think that's what you were indicating. The pawn is protected. He goes queen c7, which is a mistake. A huge mistake in time trouble from Jan Nepomniachtchi. The queen has to go back to g6. That's the good news for Ding Liren. He has only one move here, and Jan is the one down to 20 seconds and counting down.
Wait, bishop c3? Oh, just a2 and queen b1 then. There's no checks. Yeah, that's... Yeah, I think this is over.
Oh my god.
Oh my
He has
gosh.
to go queen c4 back. It's the only move.
Will he find it? The only way to keep the game going is queen back to c4, going after the bishop. He plays just that. So a good find.
c2 now. Yeah,
On
this
the
is
board.
Oh my gosh.
so close to disaster.
But he's holding on right now.
Oh, is bishop c5? Oh no, it's not. I was trying to get too clever.
Bishop d6. This h4 pawn may be hanging in some positions. He goes king g2, which keeps it at -3. So that's obviously an advantage for black. But maybe it's time, Fabi, for your h5 move, just because you don't want this king to be checked left and right, non-stop. So maybe h5 helps that king?
Just to stop white, because white is threatening h5 now. White has a threat of h5. h5, queen f5, g4, and the queen has to lose contact with the c2 pawn. h5 might not be an easy decision because you feel like if my queen ever gets active, then white will target that h-pawn. Definitely a difficult decision, but might be the right move. If he plays h5, white will play queen to d5.
h5, queen d5. Then, oh, I was going to say a2, but you can just take my pawn.
Yeah,
Wait,
A2.
that works. That works because queen e4, take this bishop.
Oh yeah, he can actually play a2 immediately.
Although you have to be very careful here. Let's see. King f1. Oh, I don't think the king belongs to the first rank. That means a pawn might promote with check at some point.
Wait, now king e2, queen g4, so you can't move your king. Oof. But he was avoiding this a2, queen e4, queen e3 because he saw that option. He was avoiding it with king f1. But wait, now bishop to b2 is coming. This is just game over. I mean, there's no more hope here. The bishop on b2, white doesn't even have counterplay. Okay, he's going for just desperation. But h5, queen f5, yeah, this is... Desperation is not working out. Ding is going to win this match.
Unbelievable. The resilience from Ding Liren. He brings his queen up. Now it's on f5. There's a pass pawn c2 that's defended. You can't distract the queen anymore. Ding Liren, who is down a point in this match, is he about to become our world champion?
Black can do anything here. I mean, he doesn't have to panic, but he can play a2. Queen d3 probably wins. g3 probably wins, yeah. And now a2. a2 is super winning. Not even hope is left after
We're just
a2.
seconds away from Ding becoming the world champion. If he just plays the next few accurate moves, it's all over.
Just one move, a2, and it's over.
And it's on the board.
Oh my goodness. And Jan Nepomniachtchi, he sits up in his chair, but he knows this might be the last few moves of his world championship.
Oh my god.
Oh, you see it.
And he gives up. He knows it.
Yeah, bishop takes f4 is easy.
Heartbreaking. It's over. Ding Liren is the world chess champion. Wow. He has made history as the first Chinese player to win the world championship. We see handshakes that Ding is overtaken by emotions. He isn't able to leave the board. And for Jan Nepomniachtchi, a heartbreaking moment there. He leaves the hall. This has been a fight of courage, of grit and determination. And all of that has paid off for Ding Liren. Take a moment and admire Ding right now. What a match this has been and a deserving victory for Ding Liren.